Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Agung Suganda, and my colleagues are Darmawan Salman, Sahdar Baba, and Imam Mujahidin Fahmid. We are from Hasanuddin University, Makassar, Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, I would like to present the paper number 100, Cattle Corporation Village Program, a small-scale farmer group environment to support national beef self-sufficiency. This is data of beef supply and demand. According to BPS 2022, beef production is increased every year. However, beef importation is still required to fulfill national demand. In 2022, beef importation is estimated around 37% of national demand. The Ministry of Agriculture has defined beef self-sufficiency is the ability to supply domestic beef by 90% of national needs. To reach beef self-sufficiency, the Ministry of Agriculture has made several programs to increase cattle population, and one the program is Cattle Corporation Village Program, or CCP program, that start in 2020. Main CCP program objective are to increase cattle population and animal protein production, and to empower and increase the business scale of small farmers in CCP location. As my understanding, there was no publication yet about CCP program. Therefore, the purpose of this study to identify the capacity of small-scale farmer group member, to identify the availability of forage, to identify the utilization of facilities and colony cage, and to analyze corporate institution formed by farmer group in CCP program. This is the methodology of this study. The study location is Sugenang and Gekbrong Subdistrict, Cianjur, West Java. Data was collected from January until March 2022 through survey from 15 key informants, staff of Livestock Services Cianjur District, and staff of DG of Livestock and Animal Health Services. The secondary data was taken from the DG of Livestock and Animal Health Services. All data were analyzed by qualitative descriptive. Based on the data and discussion with key informants in the field, the CCP program is empower 5 farmer group in 5 village cluster with providing 100 heifer, 100 feeder cattle, and supporting facilities. The pilot project of CCP program was started in 2020 in 5 locations. Then in 2021, CCP program was continued in 9 locations. There are 5 farmer group in Cianjur, which is Salam Jaya, Saritani, Sumber Arum, Gede Harapan, and Makmur. This is number of cattle population in Cianjur and West Java. The population in Cianjur was increased around 3.73% every year. In the beginning, cattle population of each farm group in CCP location was 100 heifer and 100 feeder cattle. Feeder cattle population was decreased due to Idul Adha purpose. However, there is an obstacle of feeder cattle replacement due to food and mouth disease outbreak in this year. Based on farmer group identification data, the farmer group just formed to obtain the CCP program in 2021. With the member more than 15 farmers without any experience in integrated corporation farming because their main job is paddy farmer. So the farmers did not have enough capability. Based on forage identification data, forage availability of CCP program in Cianjur has been sufficient. However, the quality should be improved due to the nutrient content does not meet with the cattle biological requirement. Utilization of facilities and colony cage. All facilities were obtained from the CCP program that have been used by farmers. However, some facilities and colony cages are require an improvement. Analysis corporation institution. Since 24 December 2021, 5 farmers group form a corporation institution, namely Cooperative Produsen Sapi Mekar Surya Kencana, to manage profitable cattle production and increase farmer welfare. The cooperative sustainability is strongly influenced by the group teamwork in managing cooperative through the cooperation role. Based on farmer capability, cooperative development need support from various institutions and stakeholders. The CCP program has encouraged farmer capability to develop good farming practices with business scale through integrated cattle corporation farming. The productivity of heifer and feeder cattle should be supported by the sufficiency of forage and additional concentrate both in quantity and its quality. All facilities and infrastructure has been provided by the CCP program were utilized by farmers. However, the improvement of some facilities may require. The CCP program is designed as profitable integrated corporation farming for small-scale farmers. The conclusion of the study, through CCP program, farmers are empowered and assisted to obtain capability in implementing good farming practices with business scale. In addition, they will obtain some support from various institutions and stakeholders to increase their income and welfare. This is the final slide of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.